So Fahad, are you excited meeting the people that you have left behind? और काफ़ी सारे तो पुराने लोग भी आए हुए होंगे.
Always. I think it's just not IBEX, but overall TRG.
6-7 साल हो गए. It's been 7 years.
7 years.
Yes.
So in पिछले 7 साल में are you in touch with anybody or you're just going to meet them for the very first time?
हाँ, एक आध से तो मेरा जो है वो है कनेक्शन, बट बाकी सब लोग आई थिंक मैं उनसे काफ़ी अर्से बाद मिल रही हूँ.
You guys were among the pioneers. मतलब you guys probably started it all, right?
Yeah. Remember हमने एक employee day पे progression दिखाई भी थी from 60 to 3000 and it was really shiver down the spine for everyone.
बड़ा अच्छा आइडिया है, जिसका भी आइडिया है कि एक एलुमनाई डिनर होना चाहिए, एक पुरानी गैदरिंग होनी चाहिए जहाँ पे हम पुराना टाइम याद करें, द ओल्ड मेमोरीज जो हम सब एक साथ थे, और आज हम कहाँ पर हैं, किस पोजीशन पे हैं. तो वो डिस्कशंस होंगी, बातें होंगी, चिट चैट होगी, एक दूसरे को तंग करना होगा.
Testing. Okay.
Let's
Start.
The time that I spent at IBEX was amazing. My 3 years were wonderful. I had 2 amazing bosses, lots of amazing team members, lots of fond memories that I made in the company.
It's been a very long time.
I think it's wonderful. Honestly speaking, I think I've not seen a lot of people here in the last 5 years, 10 years.
I left a piece of my heart here with IBEX.
So I met those people and the way we greeted each other just give me all those memories.
The photo booth thing, that's a great thing, by the way. The way we're taking that memory home by, in a picture form.
So I've got Nabil Sef with me. He was my first supervisor in IBEX and I have some great memories with him. So Nabil bhai, I want to ask, what is it that you miss about IBEX? And what is your fondest memory with IBEX?
So good to see you. Okay, so I think I miss the culture of IBEX is because I started off, my entire journey with IBEX, so I miss that.
So Umair, one question for you. Where did you join IBEX, right? And, and what are you doing right now?
So I actually went ahead and first time I joined IBEX was back in 2005. Then I worked for about a year and a half. Then I went abroad. I came back in 2009. Currently, I'm still in, I'm actually in software house right now. I'm, leading my own team. I got my own business on the side, which is of course software.
It shows the values of IBEX, that how we are valuing the alumni of IBEX.
Somebody walks up to me that I don't recognize and says, आपको याद है कि एक ज़माने में ये था और I worked with IBEX और I worked with TRG और ये किया था आपने मेरे लिए. I'm so glad of that. I'm so thankful. तो it's just like मेरा वो दिन बड़ा अच्छा गुजरता है generally, right? आप लोग जहाँ भी रहें, खुश रहें, you prosper, you do well in your careers and you take a piece of IBEX or TRG with you wherever you go in life, right?